Let's talk about something deeper than the latest TikTok trend. Today we're exploring the mind of Carl Gustav Jung, the Swiss psychiatrist who essentially invented the idea of the subconscious mind. We'll discover how his philosophy can help us tap into our own inner guru, the wise, powerful part of ourselves waiting to be unleashed. Jung believed that within each of us, hidden in the depths of our subconscious, lies a higher self, an inner guide whispering wisdom and nudging us towards our true potential. It's like a secret society within your own head, but with much better advice than any Instagram influencer. The art of self-observation. Jung emphasized introspection. He said we need to pay attention to our dreams, emotions, and even those nagging thoughts. These are cryptic messages from our higher self, guiding us towards our destiny. It's like deciphering a secret code, but instead of a treasure map, you get a roadmap to your own soul. Facing your shadow. No one's perfect, and Jung knew it. He said we all have a shadow, a dark side we try to hide. This shadow isn't evil. It's just the parts of ourselves we don't like to acknowledge. The key is to face it, embrace it, and integrate it into our whole selves. It's like accepting that your favorite band has a few bad songs, but you still love them anyway. Unveiling your personal symbols. Jung believed each of us has unique symbols holding meaning for our subconscious. These symbols can show up in our dreams, art, or even random thoughts. It's like finding a hidden message in a book, but instead of a love letter, it's a message from your own inner wisdom. Embrace your inner artist. Jung believed creativity was key to unlocking the higher self. So, whether you're painting, writing, dancing, or even just baking a cake, let your creative juices flow. It's a way to tap into the subconscious and let your inner guru guide you. Reaching your higher self is a journey, not a destination. But with Jung's guidance, you can navigate the labyrinth of your own mind and unlock the wisdom and power that's always been within you. Go forth and embrace the mysterious depths of your own subconscious. Who knows what treasures you might find?